Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to search your MacBook computer for different files, folders, maybe search suggestions similar to the start menu in Windows. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the little magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and left click on that. And now it'll give you an option to say spotlight search. At this point, type in whatever file, document, program you're searching for. So let's just say I search for documents. If there's a document named documents, it'll show it. Otherwise, you'll see there's a dictionary definition as well as file folders it'll recommend. And there's even developer files and PDF documents that'll show up. So again, very straightforward process here, guys. You can even see it looks for different TV shows with that name, and additionally you can search the web for it too. And you can also search in the Finder application here. So if you select that, it'll do an even deeper search on your computer for this search. So if it doesn't find it in the Spotlight, it'll search the Finder. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And you can see again, it'll open up this new window here, similar to File Explorer, but pretty straightforward. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.